All right, Netflix double upgraded today to buy at Bank of America. Josh Brown, I want you to take this one. They see 23.6% upside from here. 370 is the price target. Obviously, the stock has had a tremendous rebound from its low, now above $300 as we're looking at right here. What's your read on this call, which I'm guessing you would suggest it's kind of late?
I don't know if it's late, but it's definitely not early. So I'm in this thing below 240 is another stock I got yelled at for buying. I'm playing with the house's money at this point. I'm not incredibly confident that the next quarterly report is going to be a great quarter. And I don't think the ad platform rollout is meant to be some sort of a bonanza. Management has been downplaying the timing of when this thing will really get rolling. However, I think it's a very unique asset. It's not an expensive stock. Let's go through a couple of the superlatives from Bank of America. One of the main things that they talk about, they see potential upside in 23 or 24 that could bring in more than $1.2 billion in terms of not worrying as much about slower sub growth, but worrying more about monetizing what's already there, the password sharing, et cetera. That's a really big part of the story. The other one, I would say, on the advertising side, B of A is talking about $719 million from advertising with its basic platform by 2025. If they can demonstrate over the next couple of quarters that those numbers are realistic, I don't see how you sell the stock. So I think they've done a pretty good job reorienting the story. They're no longer going to be talking about sub growth. It's no longer relevant given the saturation in most of their mature markets. Now it's about how much more money they can make. And that's what Wall Street wants right now. Wall Street wants profits. It wants cash flow. It's less enamored with grow at any price. So I think they're doing all the right things. Great management. And technically, you're about to see the 50-day cross above the 200-day. The bulls are starting to take control here. So I'm going to stay with it for now.
What's your take here? You don't own it.
I don't own it. It's a really, really tough space. And look, in the last month, Netflix, Apple, Hulu all raised prices, right? We're going to actually see what happens when they report, if they're going to have any issues. That's all rolling out. It hasn't hit yet. So I think that, as the consumer tightens their wallet, who's going to do well? And the market is not paying these huge premiums for streaming anymore. So I think you have to be really careful, because if anyone actually misses, they go back to kind of the prices they were just a couple months ago.